ipabaro mo kay John Ivan. Tapos may baby naman
Show mo nga kay
tayo.
Tita Red. O, pa-show ka ng picture.
Ano kay Tita Red?
Wow.
What do you say? What do you say to Tita Red? Thank you. You like
For
it?
the...
For the what? For the? For the damit and? Shorts. What about the shoes? Oh, wear the shoes para Tita Red can see you wear the shoes. Wow! Oh, wear the shoes na dito.
Kitad ka lang sa floor.
Sa stairs na lang, sit mo sa stairs. Sit lang, sit. Baliktad na, other foot yan dapat. Ayan. Baliktad. Wow, very nice.
Pwede na doon sa ouchie ko.
Opo.
Give ko na sa ouchie ko. Ano sabi ng lungs?
Sige, mag-model-model ka.
Model si Sophie. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Oh, you say thank you again, oh.
Say thank you again to Tita Red.
Oh, Sophie, oh.
Say thank you na to Tita Red. Ay, bye-bye na. Sige na.
Sige na, oh.
Say thank you and bye-bye.
Sophie, last look na lang sa camera, please.
Ayan pala sabi ni Tita Red. Sophie, Tita Red misses you so much. Love you.
What do you say?
Oh, say